Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. Okay, have you ever wanted to explain a complex topic visually without spending hours designing charts and diagrams? With ChatGPT, you can instantly transform detailed information into professional-looking tree structures, hierarchy maps, organizational charts, and other branching visuals. So, going with Method 1, let AI build the knowledge structure. This approach is ideal when you want ChatGPT to gather and organize information for you. Start by opening ChatGPT and entering the first prompt. Replace the placeholders with the subject you want to explain and the audience you're targeting. For example, instead of writing AI research, try something more detailed, like artificial intelligence in academic research, including literature reviews, data analysis, research automation, and publication workflows. The more specific your topic, the better the structure will be. Once ChatGPT generates the hierarchy, review it carefully. If any section feels inaccurate, incomplete, or unclear, simply ask the AI to revise it before continuing. So, after that, use the second prompt to convert the hierarchy into a visual diagram. You can customize the appearance by selecting different illustration styles, such as isometric, 3D clay, cartoon, sketch, Pixar-inspired. Before generating the image, make sure image creation is enabled and choose a 16:9 format for the best presentation. All right, within moments, you'll have a clean, easy-to-understand visual that clearly shows relationships and branches between concepts. If the icons or design style don't match your preference, regenerate the image using a different visual style. Want a different look? Use the third prompt to change the background colors. Simply replace the color values with your preferred palette and generate a fresh version. All right, Method 2. Use your own information. This option is perfect when you already have the content prepared. Upload your source material, such as research papers, reports, meeting notes, internal documentation, study materials. Next, run the document analysis prompt. ChatGPT will extract the key information and organize it into a logical hierarchy. Once the analysis is complete, use the same visualization prompt from Method 1. Select your preferred style, for example, 3D clay, and generate the diagram. The result is a professional tree structure built directly from your own data, saving significant time compared to creating diagrams manually. You can even use information from YouTube videos and transform it into structured visual diagrams. This makes it much easier to summarize tutorials, lectures, presentations, and educational content. Whether you're teaching students, training new employees, presenting research findings, explaining workflows to clients, simplifying complicated concepts, this method helps people understand information much faster through clear visual organization. And if you prefer timelines instead of tree structures, you can use a similar process to create visual timelines that map events, milestones, or project progress from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more informative video.